Hello class 6. Today we will discuss about our solar system. In this chapter we will discuss celestial bodies, meteoroids, sun and the planets. We have sun and 8 planets which revolves around the sun. First of all we will discuss about the celestial bodies. In this, the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. All these objects which shine in the night, are known as celestial bodies. Now next one is some celestial bodies are very big and hot. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases and they have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars and the sun is a star. Now the main point is they are big and hot. So they have their own heat and light. And these celestial bodies are called stars and sun is a biggest star. The most important line is the sun is a biggest star. Now next one is the constellation. Here you can see the picture which is made up of stars. Patterns formed by the different group of stars are called constellation. Here you can see the patterns which is made up of stars are known as constellation. The most commonly known constellations are Ursa Major or Big Bear or Small Bear or Saptarishi. Saptarishi means when the 7 stars make a pattern, it's called Saptarishi. And with the help of this Saptarishi, you can also denote the pole star. These two stars also in the straight line with pole star. In ancient time, the people used to determine direction during the night with the help of stars. The North Stars or Pole Star. The North Star is also known as Pole Star. Indicate the north direction. It always remains in the same position and can be located with the help of Saptarishi. With the help of Saptarishi, we can locate the position of North Pole. It always in the north side, and it's also known as Pole Star. The North Star is also known as Pole Star. So the different patterns formed by the different group of stars are known constellation. Ursa Major, Big Bear, Small Bear or Saptarishi. These are the example of constellation. In ancient time, people find out their directions with the help of constellation. Now the solar system is made up of sun, 8 planets, their moon, asteroids and comets. Asteroids, comets, moons, 8 planets and form our solar system. Now what is solar system? The sun, its planet and all the objects moving around them collectively are called solar system. The sun and all the planets are all the objects moving around them collectively are known as solar system. The solar system is entirely dependent on sun and one only which is self-luminous which has its own light. The sun has its own light. It is a biggest star. Rest of the planet reflect the light received from the sun. Rest of the 8 planets, they receive light from the sun. And sun has its own light and heat. It is a biggest star. The sun and all the 8 planets form our solar system. Now sun star. Now next point is sun star of the solar system. It's the heaviest among solar system. The sun is the heaviest among solar system. It is a ball of hot burning gases. It is a ball of hot burning gases. It includes burning gases. It is the nearest star to the earth. And the light from the sun take approx 8 minutes to reach earth. When the sunlight come to earth, it takes 8 minutes to reach earth. Planets. Planets words come from a Greek word which means wandering star. Which means wandering star. Here you can see planets are the word planet is derived from a Greek word which means wandering star. Planets are heavenly body which revolves around the sun. All the 8 planets that revolve around the sun, it's called revolution in elliptical orbit. Remember one thing, that all the planets revolve around the sun and the shape of orbit. What is orbit? When all the planets revolve around the sun, the path which is followed by the planets, is known as orbit. And what is the shape of orbit? The shape is elliptical. The shape is elliptical. Here you can see the term which is the elliptical. The shape of the orbit is elliptical. Earlier it was considered there were 9 planets in our solar system. Earlier we have 9 planets, but latterly one planet called Pluto was declassified from being a planet. Earlier we have 9 planets, but according to the size and the last planet is Pluto. It's not having all the circumstances or all the points which a planet have. So now it is not a planet, it is a dwarf planet. Dwarf means bona grah. The Pluto is known as dwarf planet. All planets fall in 2 groups. We divide these 8 planets into 2 categories. The first one is inner planet and the second one is outer planet. If I want to draw 4 planets which is near to the sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, they are called inner planets. Then there is a belt of asteroids. After that 4 planets are there: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 4 planets are known as outer planet. First 4 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And the last 4 or outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So this is all about your chapter. Rest of the term we will discuss tomorrow. Today we discuss about celestial bodies, constellations and planets, inner planets and outer planets. Rest of the term means all the details of planet, about the earth, why the earth is known as blue planet or why the life is possible here. We will discuss tomorrow. So this is your homework, that which points we discussed today you will revise from your book. Thank you class.